Hi, Fruitful Family. Welcome back to another video. Hi guys, how are you doing? Okay, so today Michael and we are like just driving around looking at a whole bunch of houses. You know, you guys love for me to show you these empty house tours, and we've looked at about, let's see, 1, 2, 3. This is our 4th one that we're looking at. So you guys are going to be seeing these new houses. I'm going to leave all the descriptions for the houses below. Make sure you comment. Tell me if you like it. And I'm just going to be posting these. Check me out. Share me out. All right, guys. Let's get started. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, we come into a mudroom, a big mudroom at that, with the little cubbies. Very nice high ceilings. Pretty. Look at this. It looks like we have a laundry room in here. Look at that. Very nice size. And then a pantry. Very nice size pantry. I think this is maybe about the size of mine. Maybe a little bit bigger. And then we come right into the kitchen. Look at this kitchen and dining room area. Living room. Very nice, not huge, but beautiful. Very nice finishes. Looking at the fireplace and yes. Ooh, it's a hooded. Look at that. I love the gray, y'all. Look at that kitchen continent. That's not a kitchen island. That's a kitchen continent right there. Yes. Could you see yourself living in a home like this? I could see you living in a home like this. This would be great. Beautiful. All right. And it looks like we're coming into a bedroom. Oh, and it's a master at that. Look at that. Tray ceilings. Beautiful fan. I love a good fan. Look at these very tall windows. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're very tall. Nice and spacious bedroom. Oh, and y'all know I love a good bathroom. Look at this. Oh, a shower. Oh, with no glass. Maybe with no glass. A glassless shower. Okay. I do like the bench. And I like the little cubby to put your shampoo or your body wash and stuff in there. That's nice. A little water closet. Very nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, I love the countertops. I love that granite. Look at the light fixtures, y'all. And then we got his and her closets. Come on now. Hallelujah. Could you see yourself putting your clothes in this closet? Yes. If you who are watching this, you're looking for a home, I pray that God blesses you with a home that you love. It's not about how big it is. It's not about how expensive it is. It's about you loving it.
Oh, this is a
I like the his and her. What do you think? No glass. It's dipped. You see, it's dipped.
Yeah. They'll probably put glass in it.
Oh, last?
Yeah.
Say hi to Mike, y'all. Okay. So Mike has already seen the upstairs. We're back in the living room. The dining room. Living room. This is a ranch? It's oddly demented. That's what Bennett's mom said on Married at First Sight. You guys who watch those. Oh, here's another bedroom. Very nice size. Let's check out the closet. Oh, very nice. Very nice, guys. You come in. I got this little slanted part, but it'll work. Very nice, y'all. Is this a ranch, Michael? Oh. Oh, my grandmama would like this. Another bathroom, you guys. Let me turn on the light for you. Beautiful, beautiful. I just want you to know. Let me stop before they copyright me. Oh, very nice front room. I love how spacious this is. You said come here? Hold on. Let me check out the closets. Very nice. It's a long closet, not walk in, but it's long. It's long. You can put a nice amount of clothing in there. Let me stop slamming these doors. This is somebody's house. It will be somebody's house. Where are you, babe? Yes. Garbage disposal. Yeah. Isn't it? Is it? Oh. I was just guessing. I like all these outlets. Mike's upset because we don't have a garbage disposal at our house. And them fingers get nasty cleaning out that sink, honey. Look, front door, y'all. That's the front door. And then there's a coat closet with a security system in it. Because they're watching to make sure when you come to their house, you're treating it with respect. Come on. All right. And look, it has a little bonus area. This is just like Mom's house, but bigger. Nicer finishes. I love these wide steps, y'all. Yes, I'm going to go up the steps for you guys. Exercising just for y'all. Don't y'all be making fun of me because I'm out of breath. Ooh. Look, y'all. Look. Huge. Huge window. Oh, could you see like putting a bench there? Oh, but that's so close to your neighbor's window, honey. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. Oh, what? Look at that. Look at the closet. What's going on? Oh, y'all know I don't like attics. That was an attic. What is it? Oh, that's an attic. I don't like attics. Oh, a bathroom? This is somebody's apartment. Come on. Come on. This is a shocker. Look at it. Look at this. You could have a living room. You could charge somebody rent and make this an income property. Oh, nice closet, not walk-in. Not as long as the one downstairs, but it will get the job done. You hear me? Let's look out. Not too much yard for those who don't like yard work. And look, it's on thermostat upstairs. Look at that, y'all. I am shocked. I thought I was just gonna walk up to one room. Whoa. That's cool, y'all. Put your little college student up here. Make them pay rent. I like this. You could do so much with that part right there. Make it decorative. Very interesting. Look at that light fixture, y'all. Fixture. I love that light fixture. Awesome. This house is awesome. This house is so awesome. And then you can put shelving on either side of these and make it real fancy and decorative, right? Love the windows. I'm telling y'all, I'm a sucker for windows. All right, guys, let me show you the outside of the house. I didn't even show y'all the outside. Come on. Right. What did you think it was? I don't think I would want my master behind the kitchen. Like, what about all those times I'm up doing stuff in the kitchen and you're trying to sleep? And I like to blast my music and listen to gospel music. You'd hear me even more. Unless I took that whole space upstairs. Let me show y'all the house. Very nice. Right across the street from the mailbox. Look, y'all. Nice. I like it, Michael. Yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that bell. I love you all, and until next time, be fruitful and multiply. Bye.